In this video, I'll show you how to connect a TV antenna to your new LG Smart TV and how to scan channels. So let's get started. So first thing, you need a TV antenna. If you do not have one, I'll put links in the description to Amazon to get one. This one is an indoor antenna, but there's also outdoors one. First step, connect the antenna. This is the back of the TV and the antenna port is looking like this one. This is how your TV antenna connector looks, and all you have to do is, first of all, to bring them together, and then you need to screw the TV antenna connector clockwise so both of them are firmly connected. You can even pull a bit on the cable to make sure that it stays attached. Great, the antenna is connected. Now let's scan for channels. Actually, before doing that, the placement of the antenna is very important. I suggest you place it near a window and not in the middle of a room, especially if you're in a basement where you're surrounded by concrete. This will ensure that you get most of the free channels available around you. Okay, take your remote control and now we need to go into the settings menu. Now there's many different remote controls, but you need to press this button. It's a cog wheel. This is the settings menu. This will appear on the left side, and now we need to go down where it says all settings. Press OK. Now go down and select General. Go down and select Channels. And the first option should be Channel Tuning. Go ahead and press the middle button on your remote control. Now we have Auto Tuning and Manual Tuning. I suggest you choose the first one. Press Enter. It will ask you to connect the antenna to your TV, which we already did. So go down and select Start. The TV will scan every single channel, and this could take a while, could take 5 minutes or even more, depending if you have many channels in your area. And over here you can see how many channels it has found. So now just wait. At the end you should get this screen where you get the Done button. If you're not happy with how many channels it has found, in my case it has found 7 channels using the antenna, and here LG channels, the 151 channels, it's simply internet channels, and this has nothing to do with your antenna. The LG gives you these channels for free, and no matter if you have plugged an antenna, you'll get them. So if you're not happy with this number, click on Retry. If you're happy, click Done. And it will bring you to the antenna channels. By using the channel up and down, you can now switch through all of them. And this is it. You are done. You have now access to all your local free channels using your antenna. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.